Welcome to Solvetic, your channel to always learn technology easily. Below in the description, you will find useful links we used in this video. Today in Solvetic, we will see how to delete liked videos on YouTube. We start by entering our YouTube profile. Next, click on the settings icon. Here we click on the Manage All History option. After that, we will enter the interaction section and then the option to like and dislike the videos. Inside here, we will see the history of videos that we have liked or disliked. To remove any of them, you can use the icon on the right that appears individually. You can also tap the delete icon on an entire date to delete several at once. Hey, remember to subscribe Solvetic channel. We hope it has been helpful for you. Here are links to watch more videos of your interest and subscribe to the Solvetic channel. Thank you.